Good day, everyone. Learn how to scan a document from printer to computer. So you don't have the driver, you have not installed it. However, your printer is working fine. You're able to print from your computer and you want to scan as well. All right. So you need to put the document on your printer first. And once it is done, here in the search icon, you just need to type scan and then you will find Windows, Fax and Scan. The moment you will click on that, you will find a new window, and here you will find new scan. And the moment you click on that, this new scan, a new window will pop up. So here in the pop-up window, you can change the printer and you will find profile, source, color format. You don't have to make any changes unless you want to change the printer from there. And you can increase the resolution and you just have to click on scan again in the new window, and then it will ask you to save where exactly you want to save. So you can select your desktop or documents or wherever you want to save it, and you will be able to scan from your printer to computer without any driver. From Windows Fax and Scan itself, you will be able to do it. Now, guys, if you have successfully scanned the document from Windows Fax and Scan from your printer, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad if you do so. And if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe as well. All right. Your comments will really motivate me. And if you have any issues, do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.